Hi folks, today we're out here with some Hotshot 223 rim. This is a 55 grain full metal jacket. We're going to shoot it through a 10.5 inch AR upper to kind of see what kind of velocity we get out of this. We're going to go ahead and use the lab radar. We're going to see what we get per each shot. It'll be on the screen with you. And let's go ahead and load this thing up. And see how it does. These are a polymer coated bullet. Get a little closer here. You can kind of see that they're silver plated polymer type bullet, it looks like, or they could be just nickel plated. This is inexpensive ammo, you know, just for plinking and that kind of stuff. But I'm sure some people would like to know how much velocity these have through a 10.5 inch upper. So let's go ahead and get her lined up and see what kind of results we get out of this. Okay, let's look at our numbers real quick. Our average was 24.99 feet per second. Our highest was 25.72. Our lowest was 24.62, which gives us an extreme spread of 110 feet per second. Our standard deviation was 43.7. You can see that it has a little bit of a large spread on this type ammo, or on this brand of ammo. I've had some as close as 30, so that kind of tells you how far off this one is. But for a good plinking ammo, it's probably just fine. But as I say, you're going to be getting around the low, you know, right around 2,500 feet per second with this ammo through a 10.5 inch upper. Well, thanks for watching. You have a wonderful day, and please subscribe.